Hello,
Wholesaler
beautiful.
Week,
This is
goods
Kira
off to
Secret
Calabar
Skincare.
State.
Guys, we're in our wholesaler week. This is our amazing customer all the way from Calabar State. She said, Mommy Kira, I want to buy 1 kg of our 24K vitamin C face serum. This serum is amazing. It clears dark spots, blemishes. It gives you this flawless and instant glow. You understand? It also brighten the face. You understand me? Make your face look younger and smooth. She also got this our anti-reaction oil. She got 250. You know, when you get this oil, just shake it. Okay, because we put amazing infective powder that will clear any white patches, white dots, reaction on your skin, all those skin issues. Okay, as you're producing, just put a little inside your production and you're good to go. Okay, as time goes on, it will clear. You understand? But this one is I just finished producing this one. That's why the color is cloudy. You understand me? Some people get the clear one, some people get the cloudy one. You understand? If we just produce it, it's like this. As time goes on, it will turn clear. Super effective for anything reaction on your skin. Okay, you can't put it directly on your skin, you put it inside your skincare products. Okay, and she also got this amazing face cream booster. She got this face cream booster 200 ml for her face cream production. She's going to pour it inside her face cream production and stir it and mix it. Okay, banger 15 shade whitening. Okay, she also got this cream booster. This is our 1 liter cream booster. Like I told you, we're in our wholesaler week. You understand me? As you're producing, pour inside your production. Okay, if your lotion is not working, your customer is complaining, get this our cream booster, put it inside your lotion, your cream, mix it, and you are good to go. 15 shade whitening, your customer will come back. You can't put this cream booster on your skin directly. You have to put it inside your skincare production. Maybe your skincare lotion you bought in the market that is not working, pour. You can take some general amount and pour it inside and mix it and start use the 1 carton of Secret White Strong Whitening concentrate. She got 1 carton of Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. She got 1 carton of Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. She want to start selling. You understand me? That is why I said, please, 2026, we all have to cash out heavily. You understand? If you're in Calabar, you want to buy Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. Please, chat me up. Let me give you this distributor number. Okay, super effective. If your lotion, your face cream, your soap, your skincare production is not effective and you are done producing, don't throw it away. Add this Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, the serum and the oil. Mix them together. Okay, you will love yourself, you will love your skin, you will love your production. You can see all this is going to Calabar State, Nigeria. And what are you waiting for? We're in our wholesaler week. Take advantage. Go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com and get all this. They're on the website. I love you guys so much. Please, this 2026, we have to cash out. Buy from 3 carton up above and be a distributor in your state. Start cashing out. Start making money heavily. You understand me? I love you guys so much.